Are in the 40s. We have some 30s up in the North Country where we have some light snow falling in places. Elsewhere, though, the shower activity drying up, and we still have a wind out there. It won't be as gusty as what we've been seeing play out in spots with a few gusts over 40 miles an hour overnight. Today, basically just a generic kind of windy day for us out there. Probably no additional outages on top of what we've seen to this point. We are looking at two other systems, one to start the weekend, one to end the weekend. In between, will likely be between 55 and 60 with partial sunshine on Saturday without that gusty wind. And the coldest air so far this season is slated to move in early next week. So here is the latest system. And again, quick moving pattern means quick changes. This is what we have been seeing play out overnight. After the front came through during the evening, we had the potential for several hours of strong winds. We saw some gusts over 40 miles an hour, but now those gusts have come down considerably to under 30 miles an hour in spots. Still the potential for a few more gusts of 30 to 35 miles an hour as the storm system continues to lift away. And already on the maps halfway across the country, that is our next system for tomorrow evening that will be making its way in. So again, quick moving flow for us out there. Temperatures today will hover around in the 40s to near 50 degrees. Of course, with the wind out there today, you'll notice the gusts, most of those under 30 miles an hour now. We will be looking for temperatures to kind of hold in the 40s, and along with it through the afternoon, again, that little bit of an extra bite to the air before the winds truly start to lighten later on tonight with lows mostly in the 20s. Scattered snow showers continue up north today. Those will be giving way as well later this afternoon and tonight. Our brief break in between systems starts tomorrow morning before more clouds move in. We will have the chance of showers later in the day and into Friday evening. Notice by early Saturday, those push to our east, sunshine, 50s across the area, and then we'll be looking for clouds to make their way back in on Sunday and some shower activity later in the day. There's your 7-day forecast. 50s for Saturday. Does look like some shower activity early in the day, and then shower activity later in the day Sunday with the coldest air of the season moving in for Monday and Tuesday.